should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
What to do?
Oh, calm down, please, and explain from the start.
I was sitting, staring through the telescope.
You mean the spyglass, right?
Does it matter? Don't interrupt me, Susie! So I'm looking at the sky, then a star starts falling down and BAM! Lands right in our yard.
Oh my! I hope nobody got hurt.
No. So I went to look and found this thing! Come, I'll show you.
What's this?
What does it look like to you?
Well, robot parts, I think.
Yes, that's right!
And there's this piece of paper with symbols.
This must be some top secret extraterrestrial information! I'm off to decipher it. And you start assembling the robot.
Assembling a robot again! Yay! Guys, do you like assembling robots? Write in the comments, please! Right, let's see. Brushes. Weird. I probably should start with these parts. I've assembled so many robots, I feel like I don't even need any instructions. Look, a battery compartment. We need to screw it on. Carefully now.
Sue, I've deciphered a part of the message. It's an incredible brush robot!
Ah, that's why there are brushes here.
Is the assembling coming in all right?
I think so. I'll connect the wires now. It's important not to confuse the colors. Looks like the base is done. Now I need to attach these smaller parts. Antenna? A robot insect? That's why the eyes are so big!
Brush robot insect? No. It's a type of vibrating robot like the message says. By the way, some vibrating robots run on solar batteries. That means they can work while the sun is shining. Do you think that's the kind we have?
Not likely. Look, it seems to be a compartment for ordinary batteries.
Well, fine.
This antenna bends so easily. And this part fits in the loop. Now I'll secure it with the screwdriver. They definitely look like eyes now.
Let me stick them on! There.
Ooh. Attaching the brush seems trickier than I thought.
And the brush is the most important part of the brush robot.
You don't say. Sticky tape should help secure it. There! Oh, these bristles are so firm. You were probably made for hard work, little guy.
Yep, this type of robot is used for cleaning clogged pipes. Oh, and maybe this one too. Well, they sent it to clean out a spaceship pipe, and it fell right out of it.
Could be. Right, the big brush is in place. Only the small one left.
I'll go fetch the batteries.
Great! Looks like our wonder robot fallen from the sky is done. Let's turn it on.
It's
Let's see how it handles sand. That's always hard to sweep. Oh.
I wish it could talk. We would become friends with it, I'm sure.
Hey guys, do you like this big-eyed robot? Give a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to the channel. What if Sam finds another robot? Bye!
Hey, wait! You haven't cleaned my room yet!
Right, let's get our piece of cardboard and start adding our straws. Now push the straws into the holes in the corrugated cardboard, like that. And like this. And like this.
Hurry up!
I'm going as quick as I can. This is a bit fiddly, but it's worth it in the end.
Halfway!
Halfway already? Oh, I'm running out of time. Only 2 straws to go, though. Right, now we turn our pan pipes upside down like that and carefully, with our scissors, cut across the straws. Like that, and like that, and like that. I've done it!
Thank you, Mr. Maker!
Paper and cut a rounded shape at one end. This is going to be the head. There we go, like that. And then at the other end, we're going to make it nice and long. That's going to be the tail. There we go. Right, now we're going to fold this into a sort of spring shape by folding it one way and then the other, and then one way and then the other, and then that way. It's a bit like making a paper fan. Brilliant. Now, if we open it up like that, we can get our white stickers here and put the eyes on. There's one, and there's the other one coming now. There we go. Now, we need our black pen to put dots on for the eyes and draw on a mouth. And then if we turn him over, we can position our straws, get some sticky tape, and stick them in place. Oh, I've got to be quick. Just a few seconds to go. I've done it.
Thank you, Mr. Maker!
One way, and then the other way, and then one way, and then the other way. Like this, over and over. There's one spring. Brilliant. And now I need to make another one. There we go. Let's spring into action. There we go. Over there. Oh, I've got to be quick as I can. There we go. Right, another spring. Now I need to get some glue and put some on the end there and some on the end there, and then put on my circles.
Halfway there.
Halfway already? Oh no! Right, now, where are my circles? There they are. There's one and there's two. Now, these are going to be the eyes, so I need to get a black pen and put a circle in the middle. There we are. There's a pupil there. And there's one. Brilliant. Right, I need to get a loop of sticky tape like this and put them on the glasses. There's one loop. Now I need another one. 10 seconds. Oh no, I'm running out of time. There's that one there. There's one eye. And there's the other one. I've done it.